I've been using the ROVE R2-4K Pro Dashcam for a good amount of time now, and after testing it in daily driving, night driving, highway trips, and parking situations, I can honestly say this is one of the most well-rounded dashcams I've personally used. Starting with the unboxing experience, ROVE does a great job. Everything comes neatly packed, and more importantly, they include accessories most brands either charge extra for or don't include at all. You get multiple mounting options, long USB-C power cables, cable hiding clips, cleaning pads, a trim tool, and a clearly written user manual in English. Installation was quick and painless. I mounted it on my windshield, routed the cable cleanly along the trim, and it was recording within minutes. Now, let's talk about what really matters: video quality. This dash cam records in true 4K at 2160p 30 frames per second, and the clarity is immediately noticeable. During the day, footage looks incredibly sharp. License plates, street signs, and road markings are easy to read, even at a distance. Colors look natural, not oversaturated, and the 150-degree wide-angle lens captures multiple lanes of traffic without heavy distortion. Night performance is where many dash cams struggle, but the R2-4K Pro performs surprisingly well. Thanks to the Sony IMX3 35 sensor, f/1.5 aperture, and WDR, nighttime footage stays clear and balanced. Headlights don't completely blow out the image, and darker areas still retain detail. I've driven through poorly lit streets and highways, and the footage was more than usable if I ever needed it for evidence. The 2.4-inch IPS screen is another nice touch. It's bright, sharp, and easy to see during the day. Menu navigation is simple, and the interface doesn't feel cluttered or confusing. I also really like the voice guidance feature. The camera gives clear voice alerts for recording, Wi-Fi connection, and locked events, which means I don't have to constantly look at the screen. One of my favorite features is the built-in GPS. It records real-time speed, driving routes, and location directly onto the video. When reviewing footage, you can clearly see your speed and compass direction, which adds another layer of protection if you ever need proof of what happened. You can also turn these overlays on or off depending on your preference. The 5G Wi-Fi connectivity is a big upgrade compared to older dash cams. Using the ROVE mobile app, I can connect my phone quickly, view live footage, download clips, and share videos without removing the SD card. Transfer speeds are fast and stable, and the app itself is easy to use. I also appreciate that ROVE offers free over-the-air firmware updates, which shows they're actively improving and supporting the product. Parking protection is another area where this dash cam shines. The 24-hour parking mode offers 3 options: time-lapse recording, motion detection, and collision detection. With the optional hardwire kit installed, the camera keeps monitoring your vehicle even when it's parked. If something happens, it records and locks the footage safely. And the next time you start your car, the camera gives you a voice alert letting you know an event occurred. That feature alone gives a lot of peace of mind. I also want to mention that the R2-4K Pro uses a supercapacitor instead of battery. This is a huge advantage for long-term reliability, especially in extreme temperatures. Whether at hot summers or cold winters, supercapacitors are far more durable and safer than traditional lithium batteries. Overall, after real-world use, I can confidently say this dash cam delivers on its promises. For the current price, especially with a discount, you're getting 4K video quality, excellent night vision, fast Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, reliable parking protection, and strong customer support from a US-based company. If you're looking for a dash cam that feels premium, dependable, and packed with features without being overly complicated, the ROVE R2-4K Pro is absolutely worth it.